The Division of Rehabilitation Science is a unique structure within the Verzi-Dwyer School of Health Sciences. The Division of Rehabilitation Science is comprised of the Occupational Therapy Master's Program, as well as the Speech Language Pathology Master's Program. This slide here overviews the Occupational Therapy Master's Program. There are a variety of opportunities for someone who goes into the field of occupational therapy. In order to qualify for this program, students must have an earned bachelor's degree. The application window is open July through September, and there's a wide variety of requirements for students to go into this program. They have to complete all kinds of compliances, a certain GPA, as well as a variety of prerequisite courses. The applications for this program are done separately through a process or a system called OTCAS. Students can take a wide variety of these prerequisite courses. Now, you can see that there are no specific labels to them because students for this program come from all across the country, and these are the classes that they need to take. There are some specific repeat policies in place. So if you're a student who's had to repeat some of these classes, I would highly recommend that you're working with your academic advisor to ensure you're discussing your ability to apply for the program. The Occupational Therapy Master's Program is fully accredited by the Accreditation Council for Occupational Therapy Education. And this program, along with the Speech Language Pathology Graduate Program, are housed at the Elkhart Center primarily. So these beautiful spaces that you see here are of the Elkhart Center. The next program to talk about that is at the Elkhart Center is the Masters of Speech Language Pathology. Speech language pathologists work in a variety of hearing, swallowing, communication disorders in a bunch of different settings, including schools, early intervention, hospitals and acute care, as well as a variety of others. The Master's in Speech Language Pathology requires students to have an earned bachelor's degree. The application time cycle is open July through February. The minimum GPA requirements are a 3.0, and like many of the other programs, students need to complete compliance policies like background check, immunizations, medical insurance, and also complete an interview. Applications for this program occur in a system called SIDCAS, which is separate from the IU system. Prerequisite courses for the Master's in Speech Language Pathology are pretty specific, and not all programs are going to have not all schools are going to have these specific courses. We do at IU South Bend in the Bachelor of Science in Health Sciences with the concentration in speech language pathology. That helps prepare students for this graduate program and other graduate programs. The SLP program is fully accredited from the Council on Academic Accreditation in Audiology and Speech Language Pathology, and we are just thrilled again for this one to be able to be housed at the Elkhart Center. Please make sure you're working with your academic advisor if graduate school is the best next step for you, and that just will help in line and assure that you are working through the requirements needed for graduate school. And that is the end of the graduate programs within the Division of Rehabilitation Science.